Hello everyone, my name is Akshat. Continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathanchallenge, question number 11. So this is a question, well, to be very honest, this is a very easy question. Product of array except itself means you have to product all the elements of the array except this. Uh, thing is, these three constraints given. First constraint, you have to do this question in O of n time complexity. By the way, using two for loops side by side is actually O of n time complexity only, and you cannot use divide. And third condition is here, don't use extra space, and this answer array is not considered to be an extra space. Well, mm, actually this question is easy. I'll tell you why. See, if there's three or four elements, just example a b, sorry, b, c and d, then actually answer will be b c d for first, a c d for second, a b d for third, and a b and c for last. Now this is the answer. How to get this answer? Well, the answer about I formulated is first for loop, basically do this. Temp is 1, save 1, then add is b, then ab, then a b c, means this direction. And my second for loop goes from this direction, doing this. यहाँ पे a b c, then a b d, then a b, okay, 1 second, a c d, and you got it right. So this is how this question is done. Well, actually this time complexity is also very less, means moderate not less. Yeah, 96 point this and this is. So thank you everyone, and I will post more videos.